This wasn't even glued in. Literally wasn't glued in. It's crazy. Wasn't leaking. It's full of gunk though. How is that even possible? Dang. That's crazy. It's leaking right there. Much better.
Definitely not good enough. It's just not so thin.
Yeah. Well, the volume of water for this sink, the volume of water coming out of that is just too much for the sink to handle, but it's fine. It's not leaking and it's draining. I mean, it's as good as it's gonna drain for pipes that are from literally early 1900s.